Hello. Am I audible now? So, ಯಶವಂತ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? Madam, am I audible now? Just text me now. ಓಕೆ. ಯಶವಂತ್, ನೀವೇನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ. ಯಶವಂತ್, ನೀವೇನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ. My Kannur eating cuttlefish bone, one full bone in 2 days. Is it good? Madam, what you can do is cuttlefish bone is rich in natural calcium supplement, so you no need to give any of calcium to the birds. But eating full bone in 2 days is quite weird actually. If they lack in calcium, yes, they tend to eat, but also make sure that they will not be eating completely. They'll powder it and just uh, they'll be dropping inside within the cage limit itself. So if it is really happening, then make sure that give them 2 cuttle bone in 1 month. If they are eating excessively, for sure they'll be not eating it. Just have a look when you clean the tray and everything, right? So that time you can just check it out whether they are eating or not. Sir, again, hi Navin. Sir, again answer my Kannur biting question. Couldn't able to hear you. Okay, madam. See, you know, any bird. Okay, any bird. If it may be finches or budgies or cocktails or any bird. So if they are coming and sitting on your finger, it doesn't mean that you have a full rights, or you can take full maximum freedom on them, and you can start touching their head or wings or whatever it is. So what you can do is like, since they are coming to you, they are, getting tamed, means give them some time. So this thing called trust. Okay, so birds should trust you, they should start believing you. So once after, this process takes, you know little bit time. It might be 1 month or 3 months, or maximum 4 months. So in order to know how to tame them, and and how to make them not to bite you or any of your family members whom your bird will be seeing every day. Okay, so spend some quality time with them, so make sure that they gain the trust, and you can, uh, you know you can touch the bird, and you can, play with them, and in return they also listen to you. Hope I have answered your question now. Let me give a small example of my birds. Um, I have a few cocktails which are even wild. Few days back, I think I have, shared a pic of albino pied, which I had brought recently. It was damn, wild. We, even when I keep my hand to give them some soft food or vegetables, it used to come, like it used to run, and you know that cocktails mentality, that it will start hissing. So it used to run in front of, towards me, and it used to come and bite me. So I just gave the proper proteins and vitamins naturally. I have not used any medication till date for him, because it it is in heavy molting stage. So in this process, it's just 3 weeks from for today. They speak really good. I have never trained them. In return, I have kept him on the first. I usually have 3 rows cage. I'll be, sharing my cage videos and everything once after my setup is renovated. So I have kept him on the first floor, first cage, and second cage is where my tamed birds are, tame and talkative birds are. What they do is like, I don't know how did they make friends or anything like that. You know, they go on top. Even that bird comes down, and in with the small gap, they'll exchange the words, and my tamed birds are sharing their knowledge, so that even this wild bird started talking without me training them. So birds started talking. So if you training one bird is very difficult, but training more than 10 birds is very easy. By seeing the behavior of other bird, the wild bird, or any chick, or any bird which you are training or taming them, that will be very easy for them. So it will be easy for other bird to grasp fast when compared to that bird which you have tamed. So the bird which you have tamed might take more time, and the bird which you have not tamed might take very less time. ಯಶವಂತ್, ಸರ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಯಶವಂತ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್. Yes, Vakshwant, you can give boiled egg once a week or once a month. Why? Because mm, egg is actually a heat content food. Okay, it gives more than 16 types of proteins and other supplements to birds. Having said that, giving them regularly is not at all recommended. Once a month is very much, recommended. Sir, come live in Sir, come in live for once, monthly once. Definitely, madam. See, it's been 54 minutes. I am not at all disappointed. disappointed because I thought, oh, not, I think I thought, okay, hardly one or two will turn up, but luckily there are seven of my subscribers, or people are watching my live. Uh, Definitely, madam. I'm planning for to come live once a month, provided which there should be more number of views and everyone, so that even that will help me to, and I can dedicatedly give some time for uh, you know uh, for coming live and everything. Yashwant, thank you, sir. Thank you, Yashwant. Thanks a lot for coming live. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಜ್ಞ ಕೊಡಿ, ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೈ ಹೀಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲೂಸ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಎಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂಗಳು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾ? ನಾನು ಬಿ ಟಿ ಎಮ್ ಲೇಔಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿ ಟಿ ಎಮ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. I'm not a breeder, guys. I'm just an hobbyist. So yes, I can help you with uh, your birds related problems. But yes, I might have excess birds when I don't have enough cage to keep them. In that situation, yes, I will. I also planning to give certain birds when I don't have proper flying space or cages, with me. Sir, make a video on Connors. Yes, madam, you are frequently asking me the same question. Definitely, I'll be coming. Kannur is very, if I start, no, at least I need to go till part one, part two, part three, because Kannur chapter is that vast. So I'll be covering all the series of Kannurs. So give me some time. So the thing is, like, presently, even if I want to show certain Kannurs, right, I don't have with me. So I have told my brother and my cousins and my well wishers, whoever has Kannurs with them, to send the short video, so that whenever when I am speaking something about that particular Kannur bird, so it will be easy for my viewers and even for you to understand what type of care to be taken with respect to of the Kannurs. Yes, Chandan Kumar, you told yes for Mano for what? Can I know your question once again? ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಟೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಯಶವಂತ್, ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ಟೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಚಿಟಿಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಯಶವಂತ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫಿಂಚಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಯಾವುದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಡ್ಜೀಸ್ನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಡ್ಜೀಸು ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಕಾಕ್ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 16,000 ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 1,600 ಪದಗಳವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುವುದು ಬಜ್ಜೀಸು. ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಟೈಮಿಂಗು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ ನೀನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್. ನೀನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್, ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಕ್ಟೇಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್. Madam, in present situation, a small chick is going for between 1,200 to 1,500. And normal Lutino cocktail, the present rate is around mm, not less than 3,500. So I'm just saying the rates in Bangalore. I don't know about in your place and everywhere. So presently, that is what the price range. And when it comes to Kannurs, yes, you get Kannurs right from 8,000 to, I mean, like 8,000 onwards. It all depends on what type of Kannur you are planning to take. So the cheapest one will be like pineapple Kannur and green chick Kannurs or something like that. And the highest range, I mean, like once again, Kannurs also, certain Kannurs belongs to an exotic. I mean, like Kannurs itself is an exotic birds. So something like painted Kannur and moonchick Kannur, that their price range is like more than 60 to 70. And once again, it depends on from breeders to breeders. If a person is started, Yashwant, sir, if a person is starter of bird, then which bird would you like to suggest to that person? Uh, See, if anyone taking birds as business, guys, one thing remember, have some basic knowledge about what type of bird you are bringing and what kind of birds you wanted to. So, for example, if you ask me, finches are best. They eat very less. They, if you are keeping them in the closed doors and keeping them warm, then that's more than enough for them. Make sure that you give them proper feed and proper soft food on the regular time, right time, right care. You get very good profit, and you can make very good profit from it. So always start with small birds. So you can start with finches. So you can start. You can make really good money with finches. Budgies is like, once again, budgies are in. You can see more than 250 varieties of budgies. So only the common things what we know by seeing in and around in pet shops or in any market is like uh, normal budgies, spangles, helicopter budgies, and now the present trend is chiminar budgies. Uh, so that's how it is. Uh, so there are few many other varieties of budgies. Once again, it all depends on the higher price range. So you can uh, you can think of you know which type of uh, bird which you are planning to bring. Lee Crown Gamer, why you're angry, bro? Yes, bro. Since this is my first live, yes, I am noob. Anyways, thanks for commenting, League Ground Gamer. Weekly ones can we, madam? Soft foods you can give all 7 days in a week, provided you change, veggies every day. For example, in a week you can give 3 days sprouts. In a week you can give 3 days vegetables. So what you can do is like you can give all 6 days mix of all these vegetables as well as sprouts. For example, when it comes to Kannur seeds, all varieties of veggies. So one thing is like you should make sure that they eat it. Okay, so you should train them keeping in a very small quantity so that they are used to eat all types of veggies. So veggies has one more advantage. If you know, all that feather shine comes because of vegetables, fresh leafy vegetables. Yes, you can give it for all the birds, madam. All the birds you can give vegetables. So they eat really good. Tomatoes, I don't think cocktails will eat. Till now, I have not tried tomatoes. Yes, I have tried in few occasions, but they have not turned up. But Kannurs, yes, Kannurs eat a lot. You know what they basically do is like they just extract the juice from the seeds and everything, and they just leave the just like that. But when it comes to parrot varieties, yes, they like to eat tomatoes. Uh, very very aggressively. And also, one more thing, when it comes to tomatoes, good thing you asked about tomatoes. Do not give more tomatoes to uh, birds. Why? Because tomatoes, there's one particular thing I'm not exactly sure. It leads to feather falling, as well as it will make your bird bit lethargic for that particular day. So yes, you can give tomatoes, not regularly. Hardly once a month will be a very handy. Yashwant, okay sir, thank you for answering my question. Thank you so much. More videos on keeping, make more videos and keep on giving more information. Definitely, Yashwant, that is my intention. And my main motto is like saving as much birds as possible. Seeds, Akila, seeds is there. Seeds is there. Oh, what you are asking in tomatoes? What you are saying? Yeah, yeah. That's what, like, birds take all the watery contents in that seeds, and they neglect the remaining part of tomato. Thank you, madam. Okay, guys, it's been 1 hour 10 minutes. So Akila, sir, can we give bananas to Kannur? Yes, you can give, madam. It is really good for birds and especially with Kannur varieties. Yes, you can give bananas, watermelon, apple, then papaya. All these fruits are also uh, very healthy for Kannurs. Which type of Kannur you have, madam, in between? Can I know what type of Kannur you have with you? Perfect, perfect. Then you can give all this. You know, bird will be healthy, and also when it comes to pineapple Kannur, and they listen to you very good. So they may not speak. They don't have that record of speaking, but they will listen to you, especially in making them learn certain tricks and everything. So you train them, definitely they will listen to you. Okay, guys, it's actually time to um, just log out from the live chat. So I'm actually thank you for all your patience and support. Definitely, as many for at least I'm a bit happy because at least turn 10 of uh, participants turned up. Now see, one more guy is asking me question, sir. You have told in seed mix video what uh, what you will put normal food and Manoj, can you just be bit clear about your question, sir? You have told in seed mix video what you will put normal food and seed mix. Manoj, I think I will be partially answering your question. Uh, as far as I'm concerned, I don't in invest much on seed mix. Why? Because it will be in the seeds, so I make sure them that they get very naturally through vegetables. So when it comes to seed mix and vegetables, there are hardly few difference, but veggies gave them the immediate natural energies when than comparing to seed. All types of seed mix and only. But when it comes to vegetables, you can if you just go to market, you just get a hell lot of vegetables, whatever you feel like taking it. So and with this pandemic situation, the rates of seeds also gone high. So whatever best possible seeds which we get, we are doing. For example, even millets rates are gone high because we are not getting adequate supply for the markets itself. So in order to uh, make them divert from seeds, this is the only way. Make sure that your birds rely more on softwood than seeds, so that they they eat very less seeds, and they rely more on soft foods. For normal seeds, what will put and seed mix? Manoj, normal seeds andre what you can see is like uh, millets, flax seeds, nigger seeds, then paddy. Um, it once again it all depends from which type of birds you are giving the mix seeds. There will be separate mix seeds for finches. There will be separate mix seeds for Africans. There will be separate mix seeds for connotes, and there will be separate seed mix for big birds as well. So what type of for what bird you want the seed mix? Tell me so that I can suggest you the same. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಶಶಾಂಕ್, ಯೋಗೇಶಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಇದೆ ಆ ಥರ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Sarvanan, can we trim feathers and how to do? Yes, Sarvanan, you can trim feathers, but why? When you're taming your bird, then you don't need to trim their feathers. When you're taming the wild bird, yes, for that time you are supposed to do. What you can do is like, for example, if just imagine this is your bird's feathers. So the topmost feathers where the big feathers are there. So from there you are supposed to leave the first big feather, because once after you cut, when you leave the bird on the floor, so at least bird should look good. So for that reason just leave the first feather, and after that cut 8 feathers continuously. So in a upward direction just cut the 8 feathers, leaving the first feather down. Okay, so that's how you trim the feather. But trimming the feathers is not recommended. But if you are training any wild bird, yes, it will just jump in a flash and escape in a flash. So cut them, leave them for some days alone, give them the adequate food and whatever you feel like giving it. So let them get set to your particular home or your aviary, then gradually it will start listening to you. Manoj, cocktails, you can use seed mix like, millets, nigger seeds, flax seeds, paddy, safflower seeds, sunflower seeds. This is more than enough. All six types. If you are getting canary seeds for affordable price, then you can go for canary seeds also. If you are giving this, then your bird house, it gives lot of fat content food, which once again, any bird in winter eat very less food. So if you are giving this type of food to your birds, especially in the winter, then it will help your bird, because even if they are eating very less, they'll be getting adequate proteins and minerals within that small amount of food. Hi Rashekar Reddy, how are you? My cocktail female too aggressive. Sometime I try to contact you. I don't know whether I have lost your contact or not. Actually, the bird which I took from you started talking very loud. So it calls my name. It calls my brother's name. It started saying peekaboo also. It is actually dominating my aviary. It is actually dominating my aviary now. So I thought, okay, let me share it with you. So aggressive means the guys, cocktails coming very near. So make sure that you pair them within coming 1 or 2 weeks. So let it get paired. So aggressive though wild bird, yes, it will be having. But one good thing about cocktail, even if it is an wild bird or a hand tamed bird, if you're giving sunflower seed or anything which cocktails like, even irrespective of their aggressiveness, it will come and take from your hand. Okay. uh, Aggression is part and parcel of their life, so no need to worry about it. Just concentrate on their health and provide them the adequate food on time so that your birds will be healthy. Okay, Rashekar, thanks a lot. Okay, guys, it's time to wind up my live chat now. So, if you have any queries related to your birds and everything, uh, so you can anytime contact me. Uh, Sarvanan, I have answered your question before me winding up. 1 minute, okay. How much depth, like 1 inch or 10 centimeter? Bro, for example, if you're not mm, if you're trimming the feathers of cocktail, for example, cocktail, first feather will be something like uh, two fe- two finger distance. So what you can do is like just trim 3 inches. Okay, this is more than enough. Okay, and also make sure that you just have a track of them uh, once a month. So what I'm basically saying is like you just catch the bird properly, just check it out whether the bird feathers are growing or not. For sure it will be growing if you're trimming it very properly. Even if otherwise they might start bleeding for a while, because when new feathers comes and worse feathers are still there, there will be lot of muscle issues will be happening. So nothing to worry about it, but gradually it will be cured by itself, so you no need to put any medicine or anything like that. So, bro, the depth is 3 inches, bro. When you're doing it for budgies, then you can do for 1 inch, and for finches, it's half an inch. Okay. So by opening, make sure that guys, Manoj, sorry, make sure that in that vein, do not cut it very deeply, because blood will be circulating and it will be a very tough for the birds. Okay. So cut as what do you say, as far as possible, not near as possible, as far as possible. Okay, guys, thank you once again for everyone for showing this support. For sure, I'll be planning to come live once a month from on now on. So I was waiting for my channels to cross 1K subscribers, and you know, after that, once after I get proper copyrights from YouTube itself, so I thought, okay, let me come live. So this is Chetan signing off from the live chat. Thank you once again.